Currently, ARKM Coin is the most talked about cryptocurrency in the world due to its airdrop and straight-off Binance exchange listing. Investors who got this airdrop are in for massive as they sold and collected profit after the coin was live on the Binance exchange. This was so massive that it got a lot of investors talking. In fact, ARKM is the hottest coin right now. It's trending at the first spot in coinmarketcap. Seeing this, investors are getting interested as they ask questions like, Trader Nay, what is ARKM Coin? Is ARKM Coin a great investment in the future? What is your opinion on buying ARKM Coin right now? Will ARKM stand the test of time? Investors still go on asking for the price prediction of ARKM and my reasons for that. If you are also curious about this, sit back, grab a popcorn, and watch this video to the end because I will be touching all these aspects of questions. But before getting into the discussion, I'm Trader Nay, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, so this video could reach more people. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. Firstly, ARKM is a blockchain analysis platform that uses artificial intelligence, AI, to de-anonymize the blockchain and on-chain data. It is also a crypto intelligence platform that systematically analyzes and de-anonymizes blockchain transactions, showing users the people and companies behind blockchain activity, along with data and analytics about their behavior. ARKM uses an ultra-proprietary AI-powered algorithmic address matching engine to generate its intelligence at scale. This is done by systematically linking blockchain addresses to real-world entities, providing aggregate data and analytics that give a complete picture of their behavior. Also, ARKM reveals the activity driving digital asset markets, enabling market participants to outperform. According to the ARKM white paper, there are three major problems and challenges in the generation of crypto intelligence. These challenges include 1. Locating sources of relevant on-chain and off-chain data and gathering the data reliably and continuously. 2. Combining the data into a single source of truth that can be queried to produce any information desired. Finally, 3. Using this data to assign real-world identities to addresses. ARKM solves these problems and challenges with its feature which has just been developed. This feature is called Ultra. Ultra is a proprietary AI system for blockchain data synthesis, which gathers on- and off-chain data from a variety of sources and synthesizes them to form a single, scalable, amendable source of truth. Ultra allows ARKM to transform raw blockchain transaction information into a clear view of the entities using cryptocurrencies and their activities, including exchanges, trading firms, and individuals. At present, the ARKM platform contains over 350 million labels and 200,000 entity pages. The scope of on-chain analysis is rarely limited to a particular chain, but analysis tools often are. In order to provide a complete intelligence picture, ARKM collects, aggregates, and attributes data across chains by default, employing Ultra to reconcile cross-chain data. However, ARKM is also able to distinguish data by chain and break it down, allowing for analysis of a specific chain or subset of chains as required. Talking about ARKM filters, the old paradigm of blockchain analytics lacked systematic transaction filtering. It was necessary to scroll through pages of transactions or export to an external source to find desired data. ARKM introduces systematic transaction filtering, allowing for transactions across the platform to be filtered and sorted according to key metrics, including time, token, USD value, and counterparty. Transaction filtering produces an order of magnitude increase in the efficiency of many analysis tasks. What previously required hours of scrolling through transaction pages can be done instantly with ARKM filters. ARKM platform has another ecosystem and features which is Inter to Earn in the ARKM Inter Exchange. The ARKM Intel Exchange connects people who want to buy and sell crypto intelligence. It is a decentralized intelligence economy where anyone can trade the native currency ARKM for information, such as entity labels, hacker tracing, and curated data feeds. Buyers request intelligence by placing bounties. Sellers offer intelligence by conducting auctions. Both bounties and auctions are conducted via audited smart contracts, with no centralized entity ever taking custody of funds. By creating a market for intelligence, the ARKM Intel Exchange and its accompanying data program which allow people who generate intelligence to capture some of the value of their work called Intel to Earn. Intel to Earn incentivizes the production of intelligence as a public good. The economy for blockchain intelligence is fragmented and inefficient. There is significant demand for intelligence from traders, journalists, researchers, and other observers, and there is significant supply generated by the thriving community of on-chain sleuths, but there is nowhere for these two sides of the market to meet. The ARKM Intel Exchange solves this problem by providing a platform for buyers and sellers to interact and exchange intelligence. By enabling the free flow of intelligence, the exchange increases the efficiency of the intelligence market and consequently of the crypto market as a whole. The ARKM Intel Exchange is the first decentralized network to power, incentivize, and reward on-chain analysis at scale. It allows ARKM and its users to source intelligence from the thriving community of on-chain sleuths, which has been experiencing steady growth for the past 2 years and rapidly increased in size throughout 2022. These sleuths currently earn nothing for their work and technical expertise, but this will change with the ARKM Intel Exchange and the advent of Intel to Earn. In addition to its main function as the currency of the Intel to Earn economy, ARKM powers a system of incentives designed to generate a positive feedback loop of platform adoption, driving stable, long-term growth. This incentive system has 2 parts, which are ARKM Rewards and ARKM Discounts. ARKM Reward is the first component of the ARKM Incentive System Rewards Program, in which users receive ARKM coins for actions beneficial to the ARKM community. Actions for which rewards will be distributed will vary depending on the state of the ecosystem at a given time but may include user referrals and the production of research and analysis. While ARKM discounts are the other main aspect of the ARKM incentive system. Users earn discounts on the ARKM platform by paying with ARKM coins or by holding ARKM coins. Intel to Earn forms the core of ARKM's unique utility as the first crypto intelligence token. The system of incentives formed by ARKM discounts and rewards supports this core utility to complete an ARKM ecosystem that will stably flourish as the global center for blockchain intelligence. In conclusion, the greater power of crypto financial data compared to traditional data confers a significant advantage upon those who can use it, rendering crypto intelligence tools essential for serious market participants. Their advent will transform the financial industry. This transformation, and the recognition of it, has only just begun. It will culminate in the development and adoption of an all-in-one tool that provides total crypto intelligence. ARKM is designed to be that tool. At the moment on coinmarketcap, ARKM Coin is currently trading at 64 cents. With a market capitalization of $97 million, which is down by 9%, a fully diluted market capitalization of $648 million, which is down by 8.8%, and a 24-hour trading volume of $120 million, which is down by 22%. Looking at the price, you can tell that the price of ARKM coin is low and dumping. This is a result of massive sells from investors that gained from the free airdrop. Is this a problem? I'd say a big yes. I think the price would dip a little more from here before it starts growing and pumping back up. This is because the investors would keep selling and collecting profits as time goes on because it's free money. The market capitalization can even go to half or a quarter of what it is today. But the great thing about this airdrop is that a lot of investors will get hold of this ARKM coin fast and affordable. Overall, I think ARKM is a good cryptocurrency. From the white paper, you can tell it got good features and utilities that will take the crypto space to the next level. I also think it's a great coin to hold in the future because the developers and team mean business. Getting your coin first listed in the world's biggest crypto exchange, Binance, isn't an easy thing to do. Big ups to the team. This will increase the exposure and reach on ARKM coin. My advice to you guys watching is to buy this coin. But I won't advise you to buy it right now. This is because I feel like there is still going to be more dump in the price. You can buy when you see the market consolidating or ranging because that is the best time to buy. I would be buying too. Right now, I do not know the price prediction of ARKM coin because it is just new and I haven't analyzed it carefully, but I am pretty sure that this will go bullish in the long run. This will be the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.